Hey guys, today we're going to talk about indefinite pronouns. Now, if you think of the word definite, like definitely, hey, I'm definitely going to be on Xbox later. That means it's for sure. You know it. You know about what is going to happen. So the opposite, indefinite, using the prefix not definite, would be really not certain. So indefinite pronouns refer to persons or things that are not defined. We're not certain exactly. Well, what do we mean by that? Might be best just to show you what indefinite pronouns are. Examples are words like all, anybody, both, other, anything, nothing, everyone. Some more examples are words like few, most, no one, several, nobody, and someone. These are called indefinite pronouns. So in our example here, does anybody know where Mrs. Ferrario keeps the candy? Which word is our indefinite pronoun? Is going to be anybody. Everyone knows it is in her closet. Indefinite pronoun is everyone. Nobody's willing to steal it, though. Good call, guys. Our indefinite pronoun, of course, is nobody. All of us know better. All is the indefinite pronoun.